Just a quick video on an Audi A5. It's come here to have the drains flushed and the hood cleaned and re-proofed, and it's got a little bit of luck on there, but otherwise it's got some fold lines on it which is causing wear. You can see there the wear and tear, and this is where eventually they do break if you don't maintain them. The rest of the car looks pretty nice. She's got the special offer, so we're going to wash the outside and put a special wax on it. It's about a 3-month wax. So other than that, we will have a look at it and see it after, and it'll look lovely.
Okay, here we have an Audi A5. It was in for our hood clean and re-proof and our 2-year minimum protection coat. It also had the Critox on all the rubbers around the doors, boot, roof, and obviously the roof compartment. It also had the drain flush as well, and it had the courtesy exterior detail with a obviously spray polish. So we can see now that obviously it looks lovely and clean. It was clean before, but obviously it's got the protection on it. So the customer can go out and enjoy the car now.